Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I will show you how to do bullet points in Google Slides so you can easily organize your text into clear and neat lists. Now let's get started. Step 1. Select your text. Click inside a text box on your slide and highlight the lines that you want to turn into a bullet list. This step is important because Google Slides needs to know which text you want to format as bullet points. Step 2. Use the toolbar. Go to the top menu toolbar and look for the bulleted list icon, which looks like 3 small dots with lines next to them. Clicking this icon will instantly convert the selected text into a bullet point list. Step 3. Choose different bullet styles. Click the small arrow next to the bulleted list icon to open more style options. From here you can select different bullet shapes like circles, squares, or arrows to match the style of your presentation. Step 4. Use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows or Chrome OS press, Ctrl+ Shift +8, and on Mac OS press, CMD + Shift +8. This shortcut quickly adds bullet points to your selected text and helps you format lists faster while working. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.